how to connect Capital.com to MetaTrader 5. First, you will need to load up the MetaTrader 5 app because it's going to be the easiest, and then you will click on settings found in the bottom right corner. Now from here you will select the option for new account and you will type Capital.com. Right here it is going to display the different Capital.com websites or versions. We have one for the UK, for Australia and others, so let's just do the UK one. Here for the server, make sure you select either the demo or the live server. So if you're using your live account, you will select live. Then it's going to give you the option to type your login password and also the option of saving your password. After you're done, you will click on done, and at the bottom you will see sign in. Simply click on sign in, and that is going to connect your Capital.com account to MetaTrader 5. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.